Hello there. Today we will see the Microsoft Active Directory service and its function by using AWS. So let's start. So before we start, let me guide you some basic about Active Directory. So AWS is providing Active Directory by using a service called CloudFormation. So what is that? So in CloudFormation, uh, deploy a Microsoft Active Directory system using AWS Directory Services. So it will help us to deploy a whole infrastructure, and it is also help to create a template. So that template we can use uh, in by creating in different region, and the whole resources is created in different region. Search AWS architecture. Here it is. Yeah. Open it. So this is a general guidelines about what is that, and end of the page you will find the Microsoft workloads underneath Active Directory DS. So just click on it, and you will see the general instruction about how it works and the details. So click on deploy new ADDS on AWS. So this page will open. So this is, we have to first create a new stack. So in that, if you have uh, existing template stored in your system, so you can design the template by using this step. And if you want to create a new template, so you just need to select this specify Amazon as the template, and the next it is by default is pre-selected. So what does it mean? So this template data they will store in some S3 bucket. So this is a stack creation page. So you have to set stack name here, the availability zone you want, the VPC CIDR number, private subnet 1, 2, and the fill this details, and key pair, your domain name, as well. So let's do it. So here I write in TTTS stack, and availability zone I have selected US East 2, B and A. Yeah. So I'm not doing anything for this IP address. This I'm let it as it is. So I've copied this IP address because it starts as 0, because we need to get in this system we need remote desktop. So I copied this IP address here, and for the Amazon EC2 configuration we have to set a key pair. If you don't have any key pair, you can set it on the EC2 and give it some such a name, and then refresh this page, but it will not work. So you have to redo this creates template page again. So I have old one, so I have to do new stack because I am using this region Ohio. So my other key pairs stored in different region, so mistakenly I put in the Ohio. So let's change to oregano here. Yeah, so here we are in oregano, and then we can select next. Yeah, let's quickly see. Yeah, it's there. So just give it a name, git tts stack ability zone to A to B. Copy this IP address and paste it for the RDP. Select key pair, which is this remote desktop instance. So we have to set this instance type. So I have set it to large instance type. You can set whatever you want, like m3.large and xlarge. The Microsoft Active Directory domain name. So whatever your domain name, just write here. And for NetBIOS name, and the password. So quick. So this is the all configuration so far. So this all configuration is stored on this S3 bucket called quick start reference. So the whole data is stored in this bucket. So just do next here, save it. Yep. So here you can set the tags if you want. So I'm Dino AWS stack. So if you have multiple stack, this will help you to distinguish uh, the stacks. So I'm not adding any role permissions and any rollback triggers for monitor, and even I'm not set at CloudWatch alarms yet. So do next. So here it is the stack review. So quickly see the configuration is right or not. The stack name is right. The availability zone you want to do, the VPC CIDR. Okay, remote desktop it is same. The key pair I want to T2 large type. The domain name is there. The number of remote desktop you want. The gateway configuration. We also did it. Dino ADDS. Okay, yeah. So you have to click on this. I acknowledge it that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names, and then click on create. So you have to refresh this page, and you will see that there is two stack which is created here. So it will take some time, like depends on some. Normally it will take 15 to 20 minutes. So relax. It will create, and after one of it is finished, it will get another stack for it. So this all is like nested each other. They are connected to each other. So wait for it, and you will see the status configuration while it is successfully created, like it is ready, creating progress. So right now it is in creating progress. If you click on any of stack name, you will see that it is creating the whole resources for you, like creating EC2 gateways, the EIP, the route, the subnetting, also this is done. So yeah, this is in creating phases, same as other stack. Yeah, and this is the JSON file for template. So wait for it. So now 1 is done and 2 is still in the progress. So I'll back to you in second video. Thank you for watching this video.